This one trailer saves me from having to get 4 or 5 more employees, 4 or 5 more vehicles, 4 or 5 fuel tanks, fuel pumps. It saves on transportation, saves on insurance, saves on manpower. We have 2 new trailers on order. In 2 months, those 2 trailers will be paid for.
I think you have to look at mobility, and time is money. And it's all about getting your equipment easily from job site to job site. And when you're running the larger machines, it's multiple times every night to the fuel station. You put this on a job site and you have the fuel come out, and it might last you 4 or 5 days. Cuts down on trips to the gas station cost.
The guy with the HAZMAT wasn't around, you were handicapped, but you still had to get fuel. So then you were limited to a 100-gallon tank in the back of your truck, making 3 or 4 stops at a gas station. With this, you don't have to have a HAZMAT. You can take it back to the plant, fill it up. You don't have to go to a gas station. It saved me probably an hour every night. That's an hour I get back. We would call bulk trucks in. We don't have that expense anymore. I can hook onto this trailer and run back to the plant, fill out of our own bulk. Plus, we get a discount on our fuel when you buy it bulk. We're saving money, a lot more money than you realize up front.
I don't have the expensive insurance that's on my other fuel and lube trailer.
If the engine blows up in a fuel truck, the truck's shut down. If I lose the engine in my pickup truck, I can hook another pickup truck up to it and it continues to go. And a person with common sense and a good driving record is what can pull this trailer.
Way out here, if I had to leave right now to go get fuel to fill up it's 45 minutes back to the yard. You have almost 1,000 gallons right here on one trailer, and we actually save them almost 40 cents a gallon out here.
Bottom line, that's in the last year, the fuel trailer was the most significant purchase that we made.